Hey everybody. So it's the end of 2019 and 2020 is coming. We're like 3 days out from this new year and it's a new decade. It's a new decade. And so this is a big step forward in my life, but I wanted to do this video to reflect on some things that happened in 2019 and to set my goals for 2020 and talk about this new journey that I want to embark on that I'm so excited about. So number one, let's do reflecting. 2019 was an amazing year. I accomplished a lot of my goals that I set for myself. I traveled a lot. It has been a very prosperous year and I was able to accomplish so many things. I see that the person that I was December 2018 and the person that I am December 2019, I have more self-awareness. I'm very grateful. I've learned to live in the moment, live in the now, and not always worry about tomorrow or yesterday. I feel like 2019 has been an amazing year. I have no regrets. I have no complaints. I feel like I'm becoming a better woman. I've read some good books. I've been on some good trips. And so I feel like going into 2020, I have nothing that I can say that I wish didn't happen. So yeah, 2019 recap was good. It's this thing that I've been looking into, and I've talked about this on my channel before about being more minimalistic and adopting that mentality of less consumption. And so I've been looking into this no spend. They have no spend years and they have no spend months and things like that. And I feel like I want to embark on that journey. Although this page is all, most of my videos is unboxings and stuff like that. I definitely want to just scale back, not in just buying stuff, but just spending money unnecessarily. And it's not even that I'm super frugal or I'm cheap or I'm trying to accomplish a different type of goal that I can't buy anything for. It's just that I feel like sometimes we get so consumed with consumerism, we just accumulate a bunch of junk that we don't need and don't use and don't want, and then we end up just throwing it away, giving it away, and buying more stuff. And so I just want to try this out to see what it will do for me and what kind of clarity it will give me or whatever. So I want to do a no spend year, a whole year. So I don't want to put the pressure on myself. Like when you say year, it's just like so daunting and huge. Everything is one step at a time. So we're going to go month by month. So with this no spend year for 2020, basically the goals I want to accomplish is obviously save money, but I also want to appreciate the things that I have, utilize everything that I have, use up some stuff, and just learn to live on less so that I can enjoy life more. So the rules that I want to live by are, number one, I want to not buy clothes, no clothes. That means no bags, no shoes, no accessories, none of that, nothing to wear. Now, this is no spend, no spend. But if I get a gift, then, okay. So the next thing is no toiletries, meaning unless it's in a replacement. So I have a tendency to go to the store and buy a bunch of like perfumes or especially candles and things like that. So unless I'm replacing soap, I don't need to buy anything. No toiletries, no stuff for the house except for replacement stuff. Like if you need to replace your dish detergent, toilet paper, you use it to capacity and then you replace it. So meaning I can't have like go to Target and go ham and buy like 6 different hand soaps and 3 different dish detergents. It's like you need one, you buy one, and then you use that all. You go and buy some more like when you're at the end of it, not, oh, I think I'm about to be done in about a month, let me buy some more. So no toiletries, no household goods, no home decor, no pretty pillows, like I said, no candles, no anything. Okay, also no books, and I've been buying a lot of books lately, but no books, so that's kind of good because that encourages me to go to the library, and I love going to the library, and I like the idea of having an actual book in my hand, so that just helps push me to do that more instead of just buying a bunch of books off of like Amazon and stuff like that, and then just stacking them in the house and having a list of a pile of books that I want to read. That's just so pointless. So at least with the library, you use it, you read it, and then you can give it and share it with other people. Okay, what else? No books, no magazines. I don't buy magazines anyway. And yeah. Oh, and no eating out. Okay. No fast food. So I still want to enjoy life, so I will be like doing occasional dining out when I'm with friends and family, or if I'm on vacation or something like that. But I will not be just doing a quick run to Panda Express or anywhere where I can get something really quick. No, none of that. I have to cook or prepare food at home. So yeah, that's basically the rules of the no spend year that I'm implementing for myself. I do want to kind of go into like a no like waste as well, like not throwing a lot of stuff away, upcycling a lot of my clothes and stuff like that, and things that I have around the house, because I'm not going to be buying anything. So it'll allow me to kind of like do creative things and be creative with new projects and stuff, things that I've always wanted to do, maybe finish some projects that I already have. Like, I'm excited about this. It just opens up my creative mind because I can't spend money. So yeah, I'm starting at January the 1st. That means I have to go shopping today to buy all the stuff that I am like have my eye on. So okay, and I did kind of go shopping. I did a lot of shopping in December, and I'm telling you, like, almost everything that I bought, I didn't need any of it. And that's when I just told myself, like, girl, what are you doing? Like, why are you just like consuming unnecessarily? But whatever. So I'm excited about this journey. Okay. The next thing I want to talk about, and the last thing I want to talk about, is my goals for 2020. I wrote them down. My goals for 2020. Number one, okay, I have this plan of something that I want to accomplish at the top of 2021. So the goal for 2020 for me, the big goal, is my savings goal. My savings goal for 2020, save $50,000. And not including past savings or what I currently have or anything like that, just from January the 1st to December the 1st. I want to have $50,000 for this certain thing that I'm trying to purchase. So another one of my goals is to fully fund my Roth IRA, which I do every year, and I try to do it as soon as possible so I can kind of like put it out of my mind. And if you don't know, for your Roth IRA, you can contribute as a single person $6,000 a year. And all the earnings that you earn off of it is tax-free. So I put my Roth in a Vanguard account, so it's like an investment inside of an investment, kind of. So all the earnings that I get for the year is tax-free, so I love that. So yeah. Okay, so my next thing is travel. Okay, so I'm supposed to be, the big travel I want to do this year is to go to Paris with my family. So I want this to be a treat. So it's gonna be a pretty penny, but I'm excited about this, and I've been planning everything out because I don't just want to stay in Paris. I want to kind of jump around and do like a European tour again, like I did in 2018. So that's exciting. But with my no spend, okay, one of my dreams is to go vintage shopping in Paris. So I will be doing I'm giving myself a hall pass for my Paris trip. All my other trips though, I'm not purchasing anything. Usually anytime I go out of the country, I get a piece of jewelry from that country, and that is my like souvenir. So for instance, just like my last trip to Singapore, I bought for me a pendant a little gold pendant and a chain. So I might pick up some things on my other trips, but that's my only hall passes is when I travel. And also, to go back, with the no spend year, I'm still going to experience life. Experiences is definitely a necessity for me. So even though I'm saving or I'm not spending, I will still take trips, and I will still like see a show or go to like have an adventure. I'm all for spending money on adventures. I just don't want to buy anything. No spending on stuff and consuming things and eating my money away. So a couple trips that I want to go on this year for my travel plans is, like I said, Paris or Europe. I'll say Europe. I definitely want to do Bali, and I put on here Osaka and Tokyo in Japan. So that's like a double trip, but I have to go to the East Coast a few times, so I might do New York and DC, Philly, Europe, so Paris, south of France, Amsterdam, you know, all of that stuff. Do a trip with my sister for her birthday in November in Bali, and Osaka, Japan. I might do that maybe October, around October time. It depends on the weather. But yeah, so those are my goals for 2020. So I'm super excited about the year coming up. Like I said, last year was good. It was a great year. I want to implement some things to make myself better for 2020. 2019 was great. I want to keep it going, and I want to become even better. So if you guys want to join me on this journey of no spend 2020, and then have a savings goal that we can like track together, that'll be dope, because I'm so excited about this. When I get closer to my goal, once I hit my goal, I'll reveal what the savings is for. But for now, I'm just like, I don't want to jinx it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and if you want to become a part of this, give me a thumbs up, please, and just comment down below if you're in, and we can just kind of like check in with each other here and there and see how things are going throughout the year as far as this 2020 no spend. Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share this video if you have anybody that wants to join the journey. Yeah, share the video, and we can all like just kind of get on this together. We got 3 days. Get your spending out of the way if you have something you've been looking to buy. And yeah, let's start this. So I see you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.